Alright guys, this is for people that want to know how to program the Dx6. How I have it is I have all three flight modes. They're all stability on switch B. So normal, you take off in normal. You got your idle up 1. That's I got the V curve in there for throttle curve, okay? And then flight mode 2 is just all out 100% throttle curve, flat curve. This switch is strictly for just cruising around. And then when I want to do some 3D, I flip that switch, keep it flipped. And that's it. Pretty simple. And then my panic switch is still right here. Nothing changed about that. So, all I'm doing now, say, I want to go back to just cruising around. I flip back out of 3D mode, and I have 3 flight modes that I can just cruise around and, either turn it up or turn it down. You can also turn your dual rates up and down in each flight modes. So that's all that really is. I'm going to show you how I did it. Alright, so you guys got to bear with me. I'm taping with my Galaxy S6, so let's go to servo setup. Everything here should be 100. I got my pitch turned up to 110. That's just what I like. Alright. DRN Expo. I got my dual rate turned up to 110. That's just what I like. Alright. And you can do that for each switch.
Stability mode.
Every time you move the switch,
3D mode.
you can do each one. You can change aileron, change it to elevator, rudder. Super simple.
Stability mode. Normal mode.
Throttle cut, you don't have to mess with. Throttle curve. This is what I did. Okay, for normal, I got it set as your standard 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Then for 1, I did a V curve. Kind of like how the manual has it. Alright. And 2 is just all out 100. Okay. My pitch curves. Alright. There's for normal. Just like the manual, 30, 40, 50, 75, 100. Alright. 1 is your like standard, 3D pitch curve. Kind of what you want when you're running a high head speed. This way all you're doing is changing pitch. Your motor's running constant. You focus that back in. Okay, same thing for 2. Alright. Gyro, I don't think you mess with that. Nope. Alright, mixing. This is what got me a little messed up. What you do is you scroll down to 1. Okay? This is how it has to look. You have to put it on I. That little bind button. Okay? And then you put it to gear. Or GER. Whatever that's supposed to be. Okay? Switch I. Alright, that's how it's supposed to look. Number 2 is supposed to be negative 125, and 1 is 100. That's all you do. Okay? That's how I have that set up. That's the mix. Alright. Now, system setup. I have my F mode set up. It's on switch B. My hold switch is normally right here by the right. Okay? So, let's get out of there. You guys know how to do the spoken flight modes, whatever you want your switches to say. So, this is where I change the switches around a little bit. I think it would be in channel assign. Let's see, system settings. So we're gonna, it has to look like that. We're gonna go to next. Alright. I put number 5 on A. Just like I said. So gear is gonna be A. This is gonna be your 3D switch. Alright. You wanna do 3D? Flip that. Alright. And these will just give you 3 stability modes. 1 for just docile flying, normal and 1. And then 2 for all out, you know, fast forward flight. And that's it, man. And if I want to do some 3D, like I said, I'll keep it in 2. Flat 100 throttle curve. Flip that, man. I'll do some 3D. Get into a little trouble, you can either hit panic or flick this back. But I like it because everything is on my left side. And then you have your throttle hold back there. So, I mean, it's super simple. This is for you guys to see. Alright. That's it, man. Number 5 has to be gear and A. Alright, so let's get out of there. And, that's really it, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.